her tree.
I'm trying to count babies, dear.
Then we gotta
If they all in there or not.
see if 18 has had her baby.
I haven't spotted her yet.
Piggy pig.
I think they're all in here. There's 18. Now wait, y'all. Hang on. I'm trying
Now
to
you
count.
didn't even give Charlotte any.
Trying to count. I'll give them something to do. Hey, that's how many we're supposed to have.
Got 18 babies. So,
So let's see if we can get them to move. That shouldn't be no problem today. Then we'll come
18.
back and check.
18
Right,
hasn't
right.
had a baby.
Don't appear to.
Oh yeah, they've just filled down pretty good, haven't they?
Curious on what the back looks like, but we'll come back and check that after we get them moved here.
Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte.
Come on.
Gonna move, Charlotte. Oh, Charlotte.
Girl.
Charlotte's telling everyone it's time to move.
We'll give them a taller from today. I'd love to see them on the move.
Yeah, look at the dust. We need rain. We need rain with no wind.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, some of them's running,
they?
especially the little babies.
Up, girl.
Gosh, yeah, look at the dust flying. Seems like to me those babies are coming better this year, aren't they?
They seem to be coming along well.
Going through the gates better than they normally do. Oh gosh, this baby up here is a kicking and
Another move, but I ain't got my gates up yet.
these babies are kicking, Tony, and bucking.
I can see them a little bit
Yeah.
here, but not much.
They was ready to move. Still think they had plenty of grass though, didn't they?
They wasn't hurting the grass.
This is the most active I've seen them.
They still ain't active.
No, they still ain't acting like they usually do. It's the babies.
Look out! Look out! You let them stay here 2 days.
Oh yeah, look.
There's Charlotte.
Charlotte. She was a hopping a little bit, wouldn't she?
Can't believe that does. Here,
Oh,
Charlotte.
it's unreal.
Here, Charlotte. The guys
Charlotte's
right here are perked up.
Oh yeah, he wants to get near these babies and play, I believe. They need to be away from Wooly. Can't leave the bull by himself, can you?
Oh no, I live woolly with the bull.
Charlotte, I seen you hopping a little.
Ow. Eat grass, Charlotte. Good grief. Fresh grass.
Gosh, look at these babies. These babies are, thinks chasing us away, don't they?
What they think?
Ah, the grass in here looks good.
Yeah, dude.
Now, Charlotte. Is that
Did you hear that, baby?
Yeah.
Now, Charlotte.
There's a baby in behind you.
I'd like to watch some dress on. Charlotte would. The wind's blowing through the back window, though. I don't know if you may mess up the camera.
Yep, that wind just does not stop this year, does it?
It ain't yet. I guess it probably will when it gets hot.
There's Penny.
Bella was the last one too.
Penny pig.
Alright, let's go shut everything up in the back. And we'll come back and visit with some of them.
And we gotta switch their water. No, Melania hasn't come through.
Yeah, I see her now. Yeah, we'll switch the water soon. Make sure everything else is okay.
Oh, this little baby right here can't figure out how to get through, can he?
It's probably Izzy's.
Oh.
It's the littlest one. I bet it's Izzy.
Now let's just push the mineral feeder over. I thought Tony moved it yesterday, but he may not have. I don't know. Me or him, either one can't remember anything. Yeah, it goes up here. I don't know why they keep knocking it over. I don't remember them doing this before. I don't think they done that last year, but I don't know. I don't know what Tony's looking for. Something must have fell off the feeder. What are you looking for?
They eat all the salt and minerals that they dumped out of it.
Oh,
I don't know why they're there, but all them rocks was laying up here. They pushed them down there too. I'll have to, when we bring them back here, I'll have to bring a bag of minerals and a new salt block. But I'd like to bring a big tire to bolt that to so they can't push it around.
they've never done that before, have they, until now?
I don't recall them doing it.
Yeah, look how this field is eat down.
They eat it down quite a bit. Pig, I just wish you'd quit. I wish you'd quit, Pig.
Ugh, pig smells bad. One of them does. Oh, there is Bella.
Hi, Bella Boo. That grass good? See, you got grass still on your tongue.
Gosh, she's got a green tongue. Bella, I don't ever see you with your baby. Do you? Pig? I don't understand why pigs sticks.
God, she does stink.
It's pig. It smells bad. Yeah. Look, that little baby may let us pet it.
Okay. Here he is. Here Charlotte's coming. Charlotte. So pesty.
Yeah, their grass in here looks really good.
Won't look like this tomorrow, though.
Nope, it won't. Look at this little baby. Can you let me pet some of these babies?
Them babies will come up to you for.
They're not so far. I've been trying to get them.
It's too early for that. Melania.
You would think that they would see their moms with us and they wouldn't be scared. Whose little baby's this? This is a pretty little
In my
boy.
lines.
This one right here is pretty. They just won't let me.
Little white face
Pet
is
'em
coming
yet.
up to me. Oh, there's long tongue. Hi, long tongue.
Uh-oh. Hello, little tongue. Gosh, look at this brown baby up here. It looks funny. It's a big girl. I don't think it's gonna turn dark. Do you? It's just a brown cow.
It's brown.
Yeah,
Okay.
a brown calf. Big girl. What's these babies right here doing? Are they trying to get through the gate? Well, they don't need to escape.
Heroes. Good yesterday.
Well, don't jinx it. Tony's bragging on Sadie, and then
I bragged on her yesterday, didn't I? And she started acting worse.
is that Miss Charlotte?
No.
11. Why does 11? Do they kind of look similar?
Well, they should. They half sisters. Where that tree went. Who are you?
It's 11.
Is it? Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
I'll say.
Oh, Sadie. So they'll just be in here for one day?
Maybe two. We wish you'd have that baby while you up front here.
Yep, we're waiting on you to have your baby. Just whenever you're ready. Guess that's when she'll have it.
Yeah. 24 ain't got no treats.
I wish the grass would stay looking like this, don't you? That would be
Yeah.
nice.
I guess we'll go to the house.
Now,
Five had one. Oh,
do
it
you
ain't
need
five.
to
That's
count
big.
the babies to see
I
if
done
they're all?
counted the babies.
I meant in here. I know you counted them up there.
They're in here.
Got their water switched.
Yep.
And I believe that Nazareth wants to get in here so bad he can't hardly stand it to play with these babies. But
He probably does.
he's going to have to wait a little bit, isn't he?
I think so.
Gosh, they're keeping their grass eat down, aren't they?
Yeah, they're not eating much hay either. They eating more grass than hay.
Okay, so we will come back tomorrow and see if we have any, or see if we have the last baby
Yep.
of the season.
Hopefully we will.